Okie dokie doggy daddy. Okay, it's recording. Okay, guys, it's your boy Speedy Life 65 here. This is my first video, and for my first video, I feel like I should play a very special game. RavenField, first-person shooter block style. It's such a good game. Graphics could be better, but other than that, I cannot complain. You can download mods super easy because there's a freaking mods bar. I don't want to waste your time, but we're gonna hop straight into this. But first, I want to say, like and subscribe. Hit that like button. And I'm gonna issue you guys a challenge. By next month, December, I want a slogan, okay, for my channel. Otherwise, I'm just going to go with live life in the fast lane. That's what I've come up with. So, whoever does this, I will post your name in the comments of the video. Not comments. I will post your name in the description of the video. So you know that I've read what you said. Alright, let's hop right on into this. So, I'm going to be playing this instant action. And I think I'm going to play in Canyon. But I'm going to be Raven because they start off on a better spot. Actually, no, I'm going to be Eagle. We're going to have 90 bots. And let's hop right into it. So, first things first. Gotta choose our loadout. PDW Stealth. And Akimbo. Dagger. Yes, we want that dagger. We don't want an air horn, though. We want a saber. Stabby, stabby, wabby, dabby. Crap. Spawn there. Oh. Hey. Come on. You gotta wait. Jesus. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna go find some... I might end up just jumping off of this. Like those red guys are doing over there. You see how they're just parachuting off? Yeah, I might end up doing that. Oh crap, there's a tank coming over here. I'm gonna go ahead and reload this, because it doesn't take too long, but when there's a giant tank coming at you, you don't want to be wasting any of that. That's nice. Just go ahead and fall off. Ah! Charge! Charge! Speed is key, because we gotta live our life. Oh, crap. Crap, where are these explosions coming from? Alrighty, let's get our rocket launcher out. Hey! Them reds better not be taking my base. Oh, that's a bad. Oh, and that's another one. Ah! I don't think I'm doing anything to you. What? Well, I mean, I'm gonna figure out on Monday if I need my uniform. But is that? Oh well, yes, I will need that. My uniform? Because I don't know if I'm gonna have to wear it on Monday to Wednesday. Okay. Yeah, I'm in my ROTC division at my school. I'm in charge of my platoon, or class period. Well, wait, did I even... Okay, well, at least I broke the tank. That's all I really care about. Alright, spawn here. Alright, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. And slow-mo. Knocked him down. All I'm trying to do is get him killed. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Gotta get the Akimbo. Akimbo! I'm pretty sure that's a Japanese word, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Ah! Wow, this aim is garbage. Alright. I hate those guys that sit up there. It's really obnoxious because then they'll always freaking kill me. Like every single time I get killed by one of those guys. See, and they're freaking shooting at me again. Okay. Don't get triggered. Don't get triggered. That gave me autism. Okay, let's find a spawner. Spawner. Okay. No, not fighter. Mini walker. These things are dope. I'll show you in a second. After I mark this tank. Hurry up, load it, load it, load it. And slow-mo. I don't even care. Yes, he's gone. The tank is out. Alright. I'll show you this dope mini walker. Alright, you see this? It looks retarded. But watch this. If it'll let me get in. Alright. It's got pretty much anything you would need. Machine guns, flamethrower, missiles, shotgun, machine gun, and on top of that, it can fly. It's like actually awesome. This thing is the best mod I've ever downloaded. Ow, that was like really loud. I'm coming for your face, 'cause you gotta live life in the fast zone. Okay, I'm up.
Keep your chin close, Andy, and then either ask Mom or wait till Wednesday when we get you one, okay?
Got the hacker. I'm gonna take their base with my mini walker. Take their base so that they can't use it anymore. Ah! I'll fire them. Crap, I need to get out. No! I was so close! Wait, actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get the... Where is it? There we go. This gun is explosive. It's actually amazing. This is what I want, and instead I want a fighter. Now we need to find a place where I can take off. Slow-mo. If I'm going down, you're going down with me. I don't like my chances here. No! I'm getting wrecked. Okay, I'm gonna get this tank kill before I quit though, because we just won, but... Ah! And I died. Alright, yeah! So, that right there is RavenField. I don't really have much time tonight because it's getting really late. It's like, what time is it? 12:30 in the morning. Well, a.m. I'm tired, I got school tomorrow, but thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button as well as subscribing. Tell your friends to subscribe and like. Thank you. Goodbye.